Hey there, my fantastic friends. I'm Sharky, the friendliest shark around. Ready to dive into the cool, crazy, and totally jawsome world of sharks? Do you know how old sharks are? Would you believe sharks are older than dinosaurs? That's right, sharks have been swimming around for over 400 million years. Each shark species has their own individual lifespan. Everyone loves watching great white sharks, which can live from 30 to 70 years old. Even the biggest shark, the whale shark, lives from 70 to 100 years old. But would you like to hear which shark holds the record of oldest living shark? The Greenland shark can live up to 400 years. That means there could be a Greenland shark swimming around today that was born in the 1600s, before electricity was even invented. Have you ever seen a shark skeleton? They sure are different. Guess what? Sharks don't have bones like you and me. Their skeleton is made of cartilage. This is the bendy stuff in your ears and nose. It helps them very agile and able to swim super fast. They can twist and turn like ocean ninjas. Cartilage is much lighter than bones, so it helps them stay afloat easily. Also, it is very tough to protect their body and vital organs. Their jaws actually aren't attached to their skeleton. This lets them thrust their jaws forward to snap up prey. It is the strongest part of their body. Could you imagine if you had your own body armor? Shark skin is incredible, like no other fish at all. If you have ever touched a shark before, you better bring some gloves. Their skin feels like sandpaper. That's because their skin is covered in this fancy term called dermal denticles, also known as skin teeth. These are tiny, hard scales that look more like little teeth than fish scales. They point backward, helping sharks glide smoothly through the water. This helps the sharks be fast, silent swimmers. The ultimate chompers. Sharks don't have just one set of teeth like people. They have rows and rows of backup teeth. They lose their teeth all the time, but no worries. They can grow thousands of new ones in their lifetime. Some sharks have rows of up to 3,000 teeth at once. When one falls out, a new one slides forward like a conveyor belt. Some sharks lose up to 100 teeth a day. That's like losing every single tooth you have and replacing it overnight. Did you know that different types of sharks have different shaped teeth depending on what they eat? Great white sharks have big, triangular, serrated teeth, perfect for chomping. A tiger shark has curved, saw-like teeth, great for crunching through shells and bones. A hammerhead shark has small, sharp teeth, made for grabbing slippery fish. What do you think is on a shark menu? Sharks are like the chefs of the sea. Each kind of shark has its own favorite food. Most sharks love eating fish. It's their #1 go-to snack. Tuna, mackerel, sardines, and even smaller sharks sometimes end up on the menu. Some sharks like to stay near the ocean floor and snack on crunchy critters like crabs, shrimp, lobsters, and squid. The nurse shark and leopard shark are great examples of this. Larger sharks, like the great white or tiger shark, eat bigger animals like seals and sea lions, sea turtles, sometimes dolphins, and sometimes even whales that have already died. Can you believe that the biggest sharks eat the smallest food? Whale sharks, Basking sharks and megamouth sharks are what are called filter feeders. They eat tiny plankton, fish eggs, and krill by swimming with their mouths wide open like giant vacuums. A few fun facts. Tiger sharks are known as the garbage cans of the sea. They'll eat almost anything, even weird stuff like license plates, tires, and shoes. Also, sharks don't chew their food. They bite, tear, and swallow. That's it. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes. Some could fit in your backpack, and others are longer than a school bus. A really cool shark is the dwarf lantern shark. It is the smallest known shark, only about 6 to 8 inches long. What is interesting about it is that it glows in the dark. This is to hide from predators. A few medium sharks are blacktip reef shark, leopard shark, and the nurse shark. These are around 3 to 6 feet long. Giant sharks include the great white shark, which is up to 20 feet long. A tiger shark is 10 to 14 feet long. And the hammerhead shark is 13 feet long. The supersized sharks are bigger than a bus. The whale shark is the biggest in the world. It can be around 40 feet long. These are the giant sharks that eat tiny plankton and are totally harmless to humans. Fun fact time again. Some baby sharks, which are called pups, are born bigger than a full-grown cat. What about what goes on inside a shark? Are sharks cold or warm-blooded? Let's chat about what this means. Most sharks are cold-blooded, which means their body temperature changes with the water around them. If they swim in cold water, their bodies get cold. If they swim in warm water, they warm up. They don't use energy to stay warm, so they save energy for hunting and swimming. Some sharks, like the great white shark and mako shark, are special. They can keep parts of their body, like their muscles, eyes, or even their brain warmer than the water around them. This makes them faster and helps them hunt better in cold oceans with better visibility. It gives them a super shark advantage over other fish. The short-fin mako shark is one of the fastest sharks, thanks to its ability to keep warm. Can we talk quick about those adorable shark pups? Sharks have 3 main ways they bring babies into the world. The oviparous sharks are the egg-laying ones. These sharks lay eggs protected in a leathery pouch, often called a mermaid's purse. These baby sharks grow inside the egg and hatch outside the mother's body. 2 sharks that do this are horned sharks and bamboo sharks. The second type are ovoviviparous. This is when the eggs hatch inside the mom. The baby sharks grow inside the eggs that are inside the mother's body. When they hatch inside, they come out as live baby sharks. 2 examples are sand tiger sharks and great whites. Lastly, the last kind are viviparous. These are live births just like humans and mammals. The babies are born fully formed and ready to swim right away. These are bull sharks and lemon sharks. Mom sharks can have 1 to over 100 pups depending on the species. Shark pups, once born, are independent right from the start. There is no parenting here in the shark world. It's swim or be eaten. Are sharks endangered? Sadly, yes. Many sharks are in danger because of overfishing and pollution. But guess what? You can help protect them by learning about them. Keeping the ocean clean. And spreading the word. Be a shark hero. Respect sharks and oceans. Learn more about these amazing creatures. Lastly, remember that sharks aren't scary. They're super important for keeping the oceans healthy. Thanks for swimming along with JillyBeesCorner. Stay curious, stay kind, and stay jawsome.